Hey everyone, today I am doing a full face of e.l.f. makeup, so if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, I'm starting with a bare face, and I just picked up this new e.l.f. Poreless Primer, Putty Primer, and I know that Jeffree Star had reviewed this and it was sold out for a while, and now I finally got my hands on it because it was finally back in stock, so I'm going to give it a shot. It is supposed to be a dupe for the Tatcha Putty Primer. And I know the other one comes with like a little disc that you kind of do that, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to kind of, I don't know how you're supposed to get the product out. Just get some of my brush. I don't know, it feels nice, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I have it in the color Vanilla, I believe it is. Yep, Vanilla, so we're going to give that a shot. And I have this shiny brush here. I'm just going to go ahead and pump this and give it a shot. It might be a little light for me right now since I have more of a tan, but we're going to try and make this work. And then I am going to go in and I'm going to try out this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's pretty light. Next I'm going to try I'm just going to take like a brush like this. I like that. You can put a lot on, it doesn't seem like a lot, it doesn't look like a lot. And then I think I will go over it. I have this e.l.f. powder blush as well in the color Twinkle Pink. So just kind of use a little brush of that. I'm going to try this palette here, and I think I'm going to go in with this bronzer shade. Cream blush, I actually really enjoyed and liked this. The shimmer highlight I thought was nice. It's kind of less powy than I thought it was going to be, but it actually still is pretty good. The Flawless Finish foundation, it's not my favorite foundation, but I have to say for $6, it still gets a good review from me. And I had done a Foundation Friday First Impressions on this when it first launched, or when I first found out about it. So if you want to see that video, I'll link up to it here in the cards. You can totally watch that. And then the rest of the stuff. What did I think? The primer was actually pretty good. I enjoyed the e.l.f. like the eye gloss. I really liked the concealer. I have to say, I think e.l.f. has done a really good job with a lot of the products. So if there's an e.l.f. store, which I heard they're closing down, so that is sad. But if there are e.l.f. products near you in a drugstore or anything like that, you might want to check it out. I think for sure the Camo Concealer is a really good one. It's kind of a dupe for the Shape Tape, and the Putty Primer is kind of a dupe for the Tatcha one. And I think that there's some really good finds in here. I really like that blush, so thanks to Roxette Arisa for that recommendation. Oh, and one other thing that I really like this e.l.f. the brow gel. This stuff was actually pretty darn good, so I would say check this one out too, along with the blush. So this is the final look. You can let me know down in the comment section how you think I did, but be nice. I'm certainly not claiming to be a makeup artist, a makeup guru, a professional of any kind. I just happen to like makeup, just like you. So that is everything that I used, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!